Good day. My name is Marvin Lester Nagosa, and I'm studying in UP Open University taking up Bachelor of Arts in Multimedia Studies. I'm making the screencast video for my subject MMS 141 Principles of Programming. Today I'm going to show you how I made my mini golf app or game. You might call it as game because it's a game. Before I show you the codes, the blocks that I used, let me show you how my game works. First, you need to put this golf ball to the goal, above goal. Now I'll try to swipe it going to that goal. I made this game challenging because I don't like games that are not challenging. It gets me bored because I can put the goal in the center and the ball in the center as well, so that I can swipe it much easier, but I don't like that. I want to make myself challenge. In other words, I'm I'm a bit hard to myself. Just kidding. So we're almost there. Come on. Come on. There you go. There. It's already there. It's already the goal. So if you want to play again, just click or press this button reset and the ball will return to the original place. And you can start playing all over again. I don't like to show it to you again. But I'm not play it again because it will take our time for this video. So what's this how to play button? Simple. Just shows how to play this game. So when you press it, you say swipe the golf ball to the goal, then press this set to play again. Simple, right? Okay. Right now I'm gonna show you how I made this app. Let us look at our designer tab first before we go to our program, the block section. First, I put the vertical alignment, which is this where our game, in the whole game, the goal and the ball and the obstacles. And inside that vertical assignment block, I also draw or put some canvas so that I can put my balls and canvas over there. You can find those components here in drawing and animation. Just put it there and like that. I don't want to put there because it will ruin my game. See? I'm just going to delete it. Okay. Then you can also put ball here. There you go. There's the ball. I'm gonna show you. With your ball, you can change the radius up to the size that you want. You can make it 15, or you can make it as big as your screen, or you can make it as 5. But as for my book, I'm sorry about that. I'm going to remove those. Okay. So as you can see, my golf ball radius is 15, while my radius is actually not a ball. It's actually a image sprite wherein I created my own goal using my Photoshop. There you go. There. I wanted to put this as my ball, but it's much simpler. So And here's my obstacle, which is provided by our professor. So I name it as obstacle 1, obstacle 2, obstacle 3. The goal is that obstacle 4. After that, I put some horizontal arrangement below at the bottom so that I can arrange my buttons in one line. Because if you will not have that horizontal arrangement, you will not be able to arrange or align it in one line. As you can see here, I'll show you. I'll remove it. Okay, I just remove it. But if you go and put it inside the horizontal arrangement, it will align properly. See? And this mini goal is just a label. I put some labels so that the space here will not be wasting, not be wasted. So that's the visible components I put in my game. The non-visible components that I used is timer clock, which can be found in user interface. Where's the clock? I mean sensors. That's the clock. Then the notifier is in the user interface there. We use the timer clock for the ball to stop at a certain time and certain speed, while the notifier is for the how to play button. So let's now go to our blocks, to our program. I mean, our program or our game has many blocks that I use so many blocks for this program or game to work. First, I program the ball that whenever the golf ball is flung or swiped by the user, the speed the speed will be according to the speed that the user has used. So whenever the user swipes slowly, the ball will become slow. But that's the reason why I put a mathematical statement or expression that multiply the speed to 5. So whenever the user swipe it, it will be multiplied by 5 so that the speed will be much faster. So the heading is a direction. So the golf ball direction will be according to the direction that the user want it to go. So you can get this block, the golf ball block, golf ball flung block is you can get that here in the left side. Just look for the golf ball and then scroll down and there you go. Just find that. And then the obstacle and the obstacle I programmed the obstacle to bounce off the golf ball whenever they collided with each other. So whenever the golf ball collided with obstacle 1, 2, 3, and 4, they will bounce to it. The golf ball will bounce to the obstacle. To, to set that, I get this set golf ball heading. Set golf ball heading, you can get that, and golf ball. Just scroll down and then find there you go. Set golf ball heading to 0 minus the golf ball heading. So whenever the golf ball collided with my, the obstacle, it would bounce in the opposite direction where the ball is heading. For the obstacle 1, 2, 3, and 4, I program them same because every time the ball will collide with them, it will bounce off. That's for this side, and then this. When golf ball edge reach, this block is used for golf ball to bounce off the side of the screen of the user's smartphone, so that whenever the golf ball flung, as you can see here, flung on the side, it will bounce off. Please cooperate. There you go. As you can see, it bounces off the side. So that's how I made it. You, you should get the call golf ball bounce block in the golf ball again because that's our main game, main object of the game, and bounce. So the edge of that, so to get the edge, you need to mouse over this and then pull that get edge and then put it inside of that. Okay, so this and golf ball colliding. Oh, this is the goal. This the program. This block is for the goal. So whenever the golf ball will collide with our goal, it will disappear and be in the center of that goal. I put if then condition for that to happen. So it says here that if get other other which is equals to goal, then it will set the golf ball speed to 0. It means it will stop. Then it will set the golf ball y, that's the coordinate of golf ball y to 16. In order to get the number of that, you need to put the ball. You need to put the ball inside of it. Let me show you. Wait, where's the ball? There you go. Let's put it that way. So when you put the ball in the center of the goal, at the right side, you can see the X and Y. So that's the number you will use every time you want to happen to your golf ball. So, so that's the number that I used, and then but you can disregard it if you want this the ball to disappear, because you can put this as set golf ball visible to false. It means the golf ball is visible, but I put a value false. It means it will not be visible. That's why. That's why. As you can see a while ago, when I shoot the golf ball into our goal, it disappears, right? So here's our set button so that the golf ball will appear again and return to the proper place, original place. So I get that in the reset button, set reset button, golf ball, click do and set golf ball speed to 0 so that it will stop the X and Y. The golf ball visible to true. So I just added this how to play that program, the button, to show it how the game works so that every time that people will play this, will have an idea on how to play it. So you just go to notifier and then click and just get this call notifier show alert notice. Okay, that's a message. Okay, that's it. I guess yeah, that's it. The background image of my app I just downloaded on the Google and just put it here as background image. It's very simple. I hope you enjoy my video and have a nice day. God bless.